Hey guys, it's Alea Z Uni, and for today's topic, I want to talk about escorting as a trans woman. Now, I know this is something that's looked down upon and it comes with a negative stigma because of what you're doing for money, and most people would just call it flat out prostitution, but I feel like it's just based on how you move with it. Now, it could be a lucrative business if you come in with a mindset, you have goals, and you know what you want to do, and basically, if you keep yourself pushing, you have to stay motivated. Because if you lose your motivation, you can fall off with everything, or you can get sidetracked. And you have to keep in mind, it's like any hustler can tell you, you're gonna have slow days, you're gonna have fast days, you're gonna have some days that are just amazing, and you're gonna have some days where you're like, damn, what's going on? Now, do I recommend that anyone, especially my young trans girls, jump into escorting? It's not something that I recommend, especially if you have a clean record. I say go get a job. Like, I know working a regular 9 to 5 can be hard, especially as a trans woman, because I've experienced it myself. Like growing up, I've had multiple jobs. I've done multiple things. Like I have an extensive background. Uh, well, I have an extensive resume, like of in so many trades that I know how to do. It's just I'm a felon, so life has become hard for me. So this was the stuff I had to do for right now to take care of myself, to keep myself on hormones, to be able to feed myself, clothe myself, and you know, it just is what it is at the moment. But I do not recommend that you jump into something like this because it comes with a lot. Like this is your body, and you can be exposed to so many things. Don't get me wrong, you get to meet nice people, you get to meet nice guys that look out for you even without you even doing anything. But you meet assholes, you meet some guys that seem like they don't know what the fuck hygiene is. Like, nigga, if I can smell your dick, I know you smell your dick. But that's another topic. And if you're not right mentally, like you can get lost in it. Cause I know some trans girls, they take drugs to keep themselves up, escorting to keep moving, to keep working, and end up getting hooked on this shit. So I say you have to have a strong mind to do shit like that. But like I said, like if you can get a job, get a job. Don't look at it as, oh, this is an easy money, this is an easy way out. It's nothing is ever as easy as it seems. Everything comes with its own demons. It comes with its own problems. And though you might have ups, it's just not something you really just want to do. Now I know there are trans women who have been in the game and doing these type of things longer than I have been, and they probably have certain ways to move and things of that nature. But all I can tell you is from my experience, you can move the way you want, and depending on if you're a girl who like to travel, that could be a good thing upside to it because you can travel, go to different cities, get to meet different people that way, and you get to see what money is like in different cities. Just in case you never know, you might want to move somewhere else. Like it can inspire you to do that type of shit. But you have to keep in mind, the shit kind of illegal. You can get caught up doing it. Um, There's so many different things out here you can catch from syphilis, HIV, herpes, and those are things you can't really get rid of. But you know, you do have the STDs you can get rid of. But you always have to think about that because you have some guys that want to pay you $300 to $400 to fuck you raw, but you don't know what this guy have. See, that's how you. But when you are a trans girl and you have nothing, and this is how you gonna feed yourself, you gonna go for what you know. But it's not always like that though, because you can use condoms, but you're just not gonna make as much money as you would like to make. And then if you are a trans girl, depending on your sexual, you know, your sexual positions, whether you're top, bottom, verse. If you're a trans girl who's verse and you use your dick, yes, we're gonna be very blunt. Okay, you're gonna make more money than a girl that's just a bottom, because contrary to popular belief, these men like getting their ass beat in. Girl, I came out thinking I'm finna, girl, this is finna be easy. I'm finna get these sheets clapped, get this little money. No, ma'am, they want some dick. But yeah, it is what it is, though. I say as long as you got a way to take care of yourself and you're not really hurting nobody in the process, go for what you know, but I always try to strive for better. I always look for something else. Like, have a next step, have a plan. That's what I'm trying to do for myself. Like, which is why I'm trying to do my YouTube and just like tap into different aspects because I don't want to get stuck. I don't want to get complacent and in my 30s and 40s. All I did was sell ads and I have nothing to show for it. No, like I want better for myself. I want to do so much more. I see so much more for myself. So yeah, but it's not always depressing. But I do get in my moments because I want love. I want love just like every other person want love. And of course with escorting and like just being a trans woman, it's hard to find love. Being a trans person, it's hard to find love because everyone isn't accepting, and you never know what you're truly getting yourself into, and you just truly never know how anyone feels. So you have to, move certain ways. And imagine being a trans woman and you're an escort. That's a lot of baggage. Like, that is a lot of baggage. So you have to keep that in mind. Yeah, but that's just my output and look on escorting as a trans woman. So if that's something you thought about, cause times have gotten hard and shit like that, girl, and it's a pandemic out here, you have to deal with niggas without a mask, girl. Jesus, but hey, do your thing. I ain't nobody but trying to be your big sister from YouTube. But this is Alexi Honey. This is my look on escorting, and yeah, I'm out.